Hey guys, I'm back with Fitness Diva's weight loss tool number 2. Finally! Yes, finally. And today's weight loss tool is pre-prepared meals that you make yourself. Yes, food prep. I find that's a very useful tool in not only staying on your meal plan, but it helps you avoid a lot of the impulse eating, okay, that causes you to call up and dial a pizza, or call up for some Chinese food. You get hungry, then you already got stuff in there that's prepared, that's quick. All you got to do is take it out of the microwave, take it out of the fridge, pop it in the microwave, and bam, you got something to eat, Okay, I like to do this on Sunday. I like to shop Sunday for my food. Everything that I'm going to eat for at least 3 days, and then a little bit beyond, like perishable items for 3 days. Everything else beyond that, I can go buy a little, a little more of. I like to just go hog wild for like 2 hours, chopping, prepping, seasoning, cooking, okay? And then I take and I put it in these little containers like this, okay? This is tonight's dinner, by the way. Alright, I got my rice in here, I got my broccoli, I got some meat, and I don't have to come in here in the kitchen and slay. By the way, you realize we're in my kitchen, right? This is my kitchen. I'm not going to show you the whole kitchen. And as you can see up there, I don't know if you can see, got Marilyn Monroe up on the wall, just busting out some chest presses. Marilyn works out in my house. Anyway, back to the food prep. Oh, another thing I like to do, once again, in the realm of food preparation, if you want something fresh, you don't want to dig something out the fridge and put it in the microwave. You want it now and you want it to be fresh and hot and good, all you got to do is do the prep. Okay, so right here I've taken some yellow squash and zucchini, and it's already chopped up, it's already cleaned, it's already seasoned up. I got some adobo in here, some Goya sazon, okay, because I like me some Latin flavor, and a little bit of garlic. Pop the lid on that, put it in the fridge, knowing that you'll either cook it that night or the next day. Don't let it go more than 2 days, because then the taste gets a little sketchy. But I'm ready, okay, and this is going to be really good, okay, and I don't have to come in here and chop and prep and do all that stuff. It's already done. Another thing, for snacking, okay, do the same thing with your snacks, even with fruit, especially with fruit, okay? Like, I've taken this grapefruit. By the way, I love grapefruits. Oh, they're the best. Okay, and I've already chopped it up, all right, made little wedges out of it. See, isn't that nice? And all I got to do is take one out and pow, I got grapefruit. Okay, and I don't have to chop it. I don't have to get the juice all over the place. No fuss, no muss. Bam, already ready. Okay, and you can do this on so many different levels with so many different things. You want takeout food to go outside or go to work with. You want to take stuff to work with you. This is perfect for that. You used to taking stuff on the run. All you got to do is take some of your pre-prepared food and get these. I get this stuff at the 99-cent store. Okay, anything I cook, I can put in here and take and put it in a bag and take it out the door with me. Okay, so anyway, that's basically it. Fitness Diva's weight loss tool number 2, pre-prepared meals that you make yourself. Okay? Now stay tuned for the next one. I'm not promising it's coming tomorrow, but it's coming. Okay? Ciao for now.